How to use Todoist for time blocking your day. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Todoist for time blocking your day efficiently. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. Start by opening Todoist and creating a new project named Daily Time Blocks. Now, add tasks for each major part of your day. For example, morning routine, work block 1, lunch break, admin tasks, and so on. Use the task name to include both the activity and the time. For instance, emails 9 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. Set the due time for each task so Todoist sends you reminders at the right moments. To make your plan even clearer, use color-coded labels like deep work, break, or meeting. Then, enable the Today view to see your time blocks listed chronologically, helping you stay on track as the day unfolds. You can also sync Todoist with Google Calendar for a visual timeline of your blocks across both platforms. Check off tasks as you go to stay motivated and get a clear sense of progress. And that's how you can use Todoist to time block your day like a pro. Try it out and stay organized. That's all for the video.